Fingering for our scales. I'm going to start with the E major scale with the right hand. I always use this fingering. 1, 2, 3. Thumb comes under. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pinky bookend. I do the same going down. Bookend. 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Here it is in time. When I go back down, all the way to the thumb, cross over. I use that scale for C, that fingering for C, same thing, all the way to the thumb. For G, with the added F sharp. For D, do, re, mi is black, and T is black, and A. Left hand fingering, E major scale. Bookend, 4, 3, 2, 1, all the way to the thumb. 3, 2, 1. Come down with the same fingering. When I reach finger 3, the thumb comes under, and then I do the group of 4, bookend. Here it is in time. That's the same fingering for C. Bookend, group of 4, 3 over. Coming down, thumb comes under. Bookend. G major scale. Bookend.